Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a neutral colored cut crease. I've been trying to work on my cut crease. I know I recorded my first cut crease, which was a film. It was in my holiday series. But this time, it's my second cut crease, and it's a little bit better. Just a little bit. So anyway, I already primed my face. I'll have everything, all the products I'm using in the description below. I already primed, and now I am getting into my eyebrows. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Pomade in the color Ebony. Alright, now I'm just gonna clean up my eyebrows with some concealer.
Trying to leech me, you can't stop it. Benjamin's up in my pocket. I stay lit, you know I'm poppin'. I stay lit, you know I'm poppin'. All these hoes can't stop it. Bitch, you know you can't top it. Till I came from my wallet, ayy. Big big grow my toppin'. Bitch can't hold my guappin'. Bitch, you know I'm poppin'. Bitch, you know I'm poppin'. Niggas been constantly waiting. Niggas been constantly hating. Ayy, ayy. I've been counting all day.
Alright, so now I'm about to do the eyes. I have been testing out the tape technique. I like it, so I'm gonna keep doing it. Alright, so I'm just gonna go into my crease with the color there that I just showed you. And I am using my usual neutral palette, my Tartlette in Bloom, and I'll have the exact colors that I'm using and the location that I'm using it in the description below. Alright, so now I'm just going to deepen my crease a little bit with the darker shade.
Smoking gas like it's nitrous. Found my bag, boy, I'm bout it. In my bag, boy, I got it. You won't catch me empty pockets trying to leech me. You can't stop it. Benjamin's up in my pocket. I stay lit, you know I'm popping.
This is another DJ LaFleur exclusive. The latest DJ.
Alright, so I decided to go back and add a little bit of the darker color to my to where I shaded originally, just because the first color wasn't that deep. So, and then I went back in the crease again with an even darker color. So now I'm gonna cut the crease, and I'm actually using my eyeshadow primer to cut the crease. Yeah, this is the only thing I really have to use to cut it, besides for concealer. And I find that concealer, I don't know, I just don't like using concealer to cut the crease, because it looks, I don't know, I just don't like putting, eyeshadow on top of concealer, if you get what I'm saying. So I just use the eyeshadow primer to cut it, since it's for your eyes.
I'm a Leo boy, I've been a tank. I've been bowling in that ankle. Like it's nitrous. Found my bag, boy, I'm bout it. In my bag, boy, I got it. You won't catch me empty pockets trying to leech me. You can't stop it. Benjamin's up in my pocket. I stay lit, you know I'm poppin'. I stay lit, you know I'm poppin'. All these hoes can't stop it. Bitch, you know you can't top it. Till I came from my wallet, ayy. Big big grow my toppin'. Bitch can't hold my guappin'. Bitch, you know I'm poppin'. Bitch, you know I'm poppin'. Niggas been constantly waiting. Niggas been constantly hating, ayy, ayy. I've been counting all day, throwing some cash in your face, ayy, ayy. I've been smoking all day, I've been working all day. Time to go get this cake, running it up like relay. Your girl around me, she ain't safe. Niggas know me, I don't play. You fake, you can stay where you stay.
I cannot decide what color I want to use. So I'm going in with that color right there, all over my lid. Well, under the lid where I cut. And I did go back and use a darker shimmer for the wing area just so I can get a little bit more definition.
I stay lit, you know I'm poppin'. All these hoes can't stop it. Bitch, you know you can't top it. Till I came from my wallet, ayy. Big fake grow my toppin', ayy. Bitch can't hold my guapin'. Bitch, you know I'm poppin'. Bitch, you know I'm poppin'. Keep a lighter right left pocket, smoking gas like it's nitrous. Found my bag, boy, I'm bout it in my bag.
I'm not talking to myself, guys. I was actually on FaceTime with my sister. Hey, sis. I actually had a lot of interruptions in this video, but you know, thanks to editing, you guys won't even know.
Keep a lighter right left pocket, smoking gas like it's nitrous. Found my bag, boy, I'm bout it in my bag.
Okay, so now I'm going in the wing area with the deeper, with the gold. So it's giving a little bit more definition, some layers to my eyeshadow. And there's my dad. You have to step into, I don't remember what he was talking to me about, but there he is. I didn't want to cut this part out because I was doing my foundation. Even though you guys have seen this like 1,000 times, I didn't want to skip any steps. So, hey, Dad. He left my door open. Alright, so I'm just going in under my eyes and highlighting with my same concealer that I used to clean up my eyebrows.
Niggas been constantly waiting, niggas been constantly hating, ayy, ayy. I've been counting all day, throwing some cash in your face, ayy, ayy. I've been smoking all day, I've been working all day. Time to go get this cake, running it up like relay. Your girl around me, she ain't safe. Niggas know me, I don't play. You fake, you can stay where you stay. I've been trying to go get it, my nigga. Big TV screen trying to go broaden my vision. Just be my team when we ball like a limit. Remember the days they used to ride in the Stratus. Remember the days when a nigga ain't have it. Now I got stats that I hide in the matches. Remember like YOLO, young Gordo do magic. Niggas been hating, I call them John Madden. She wanna fuck, but I think I'ma pass it. If I just hit, she gon' wanna romance me. Let's go get the chase, look, I work out at Valley. I'm with your bitch, she right on my alley. I'm with Lil Shari and I'm with her alley. Medusa, my glasses, young nigga, I'm flashing. I stay lit, you know I'm poppin'. All these hoes can't stop it. Bitch, you know you can't top it. Till I came from my wallet, ayy. Big fake grow my toppin', ayy. Bitch can't hold my guapin'. Bitch, you know I'm poppin'. Bitch, you know I'm poppin'. Keep a lighter right left pocket, smoking gas like it's nitrous. Found my bag.
Alright, so now I'm just going to set all those highlighted areas with my Fenty Invisimatte blotting powder. And I'm using a beauty blender to do that. Now it's time to take off my scarf because my edges are done. Yes. So I'm just going to contour. I am using my Fenty matchstick. Yeah, in the color Expresso. And I'm blending it out with the brush.
Found my bag, boy, I'm bout it in my bag, boy, I got it. You won't catch me empty pockets trying to leech me, you can't stop it. Benjamin's up in my pocket, I stay lit, you know I'm poppin'. I stay lit, you know I'm poppin'. All these
Time to go in with the eyeliner. Now when I'm taking the wing up, I'm not going to cover the entire winged area that is tan as a part of the cut crease. I'm going to go right under it so you can still see some of that color going up on the wing. I'm sorry, the camera just has me looking so bright and shiny, shining bright like a diamond. I don't know. I tried to fix it. I tried to like put my hand in front of the camera to see if it would adjust the lighting. It didn't, so I apologize, but hopefully you guys can see everything fine.
Niggas been constantly waiting. Niggas been constantly hating. Ay, ay. I've been counting all day, throwing some cash in your face. Ay, ay. I've been smoking all day. I've been working all day. Time to go get this cake. Running it up like relay. Your girl around me, she ain't safe. Niggas know me, I don't play. You fake, you can stay where you stay. I've been trying to go get it, my nigga. Big TV screen trying to go broaden my vision. Just be my team when we ball like Olympics. Remember the days they used to ride in the Stratus. Remember the days when a nigga ain't have it. Now I got stats that I hide in the matches. Remember like Yola, young Gordo do magic.
Right, so now it's my time for my favorite part. Going in with the lashes. Yes. Yes. You never have a completed look without some good lashes. Especially when you're doing a cut crease. You can't just put some mascara on. Like, no. You need some drama. You need to get your life together with some lashes. And I'm going in and highlighting all my usual areas with my Fenty matchstick. I think I used Yacht Life. And I'm going on top of it with most likely Ginger Binge.
Pockets trying to leech me, you can't stop it. Benjamin's up in my pocket, I stay lit, you know I'm popping.
Alright, now I'm just trying to wrap my scarf around. Trying to finish my look up. Got that typical DMV girl look going on. DMV baddie, you know what I'm saying? I'm so sick of myself.
Boy, I got it. You won't catch me empty pockets trying to leech me. You can't stop it. Benjamin's up in my pocket. I stay lit, you know I'm popping. I stay lit, you know I'm popping.
Alright, so now it's time for the lips. I am lining my lips with MAC's Bittersweet, I want to say, lip liner. And then I'm going to go on top of it with Antique Velvet.
Bitch, I'm a boss. Got foreign exhaust. Ayy, I'm smoking a raw. Ayy, the gas in my raw. Ayy, ain't fucking a raw. Ayy, bitches trying to get some babies. Ayy, bitch, I'm trying to get some paper. Ayy, fuck you want it, just payment. Ayy, trying to get it on a daily. Ayy, on the freeway here in Nada. Ayy, bitch, I'm balling like.
This was actually the look that I did for my first day of my anniversary. So I was getting ready to go over to my boyfriend's house. And take it from me, if you're going out, use a light color. I'm just going in on my my inner corner with, I don't remember what color it is, but I'll have it below. Anyway, use a light colored lip gloss or like a super matte color, because literally this lipstick transferred all over my boyfriend's lips. Like after it. Oh, Joseph, I'm so sorry. I mean, he didn't care. He's not the type that's like, oh, he cares. He just wipes it off. But still, it's just like, dang, it's not even staying on my face. Like, it's going all on yours.
I've been working all day. Time to go get this cake. Running it up like relay. Your girl around me, she ain't safe. Niggas know me, I don't play. You fake, you can stay where you stay. I've been trying to go get it, my nigga. Big TV screen trying to go broaden my vision. Just be my team when we ball like a
Okay, time for the setting spray. I know some people actually do their mascara before they do their setting spray, but you know, I do it after because I don't mind a little bit of it, you know, blending down. And it's time for the slow-mo. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I think my cut creases are getting better. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.